Fate whispers to the warrior.
The storm is coming.
And the warrior whispers back.
I am the storm.
Good evening. The anarchist Solomon Lane. Since you captured him 2 years ago, his absence from the world stage has had unintended consequences. His syndicate of rogue covert operatives continues to wreak havoc around the globe. The CIA's Special Activities Division has relentlessly hunted Lane's elite network of hostiles. They have been contacted by this man, an unidentified extremist known only by the codename John Lark, author of this apocalyptic manifesto calling is responsible for the disappearance of Norwegian nuclear weapons specialist Niels Delbruck. Dr. Delbruck's security clearance was revoked after he expressed fiercely anti-religious views. Your mission, should you choose to accept it, is to prevent the Apostles from acquiring plutonium. If you or any members of your IMF team are caught or killed, the Secretary will disavow any knowledge of your actions. Good luck, Ethan. This message will self-destruct in 5 seconds.